our hotel in Kovalam. It will take us 1 hour papunta sa aming hotel. And hindi pa kami nakapag-lunch. So, naghahanap kami kung saan makakabili ng ipaparcel lang namin na pagkain para sa hotel na lang kami kumain. Nahabol namin yung oras na ma-enjoy namin yung hotel. Potenkoti. Parang ito na yung main city nila dito, guys. We are just going to buy snacks. Then mamaya na lang kami kakain ng lunch at saka dinner. So we're just going to buy snacks. May nadaanan kami. Meron lang vada. Different kinds of vada. And then, what is this? Egg? No. Parang iba din to eh. This one yung turo na gusto ko. Meron this lang bachi. Bachi? Parcel. This one is also good. Oh, heavy rain. Rain, go away. Come again another day. Little me, wants to play. We arrived at our hotel.
Yes.
Check in.
Under Cheyenne.
Under.
Cheyenne. 3 rooms.
ID card? Yes, I have ID card.
Welcome drinks. Blue tea. Come here, I'll give you my love. Come here. Nice, guys. Actually, ang ganda dito. This is a 5-star hotel. Ito yung parang pinaka-bonggang hotel na namin for this trip.
This place, I'm letting her to do the check-in process and the documentation. So she is in charge here. And everyone is so excited because the property is so good. Actually, this is a 5-star property. And frankly saying, none of us who have stayed in this kind of property. So even I am also very excited. Are we good?
Picture of 4-year. Picture of 5.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. If you check out time, you can give me some nice feedback, sir.
Okay, your name? Arun. Arun Prem.
Arun Prem.
Okay, Arun.
Thank you.
This is for honey, na? Honey.
We already got our room key. And this is the first hotel na napuntahan namin, guys, that they are specifically asking for names for each bedroom. Yes. Yes, a swimming pool. You're going to swim? Are you? Okay.
traditional spices.
Okay.
Shirodhara, Padresa, oil masala, etc. Ayurveda doctor also we have. Other one Ocean Indian Thai masala. This is North Indian Thai masala specializing.
Okay.
One up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The username UDS this. All tab. And you have two bars. Here the first full side you have the bar and other second full side bar and coffee. And we have mainly 3 restaurants. So that is main next okay. Your room number ma'am?
604, 5, and 6. Mami, 604. So, dyan sila ni Mami. Doon sila ni Arun G. 605. No, not yet. Come on, let's go to our room. 604. Yes, this is our room. Mimi, give uncle. Hand. So this is our room. Wow. Wow. They said we got a full view. Wow, nice. Oh, Mishi, come on, see. Wow. Nice. OMG, there's the beach. We got both beach and pool view. Yeah, we have table. Mimi, see, Uncle is bringing your baby Jasmine. Oh no, ask Uncle, give me back, please.
All the number mentioned here, reception, room service, housekeeping, all the number here. Anything else you can call this number.
Okay.
This is the mini bar item. This also chargeable, sir. This is a fixed price.
Okay.
Anything else you can take, this is the checkout time, you can pay the amount.
Okay.
Per day, you bottle water complimentary, extra liquor, coffee, everything, sir. Bathroom towel, shampoo, already fixed, sir.
Okay.
Additional thing you can need, just we can call the housekeeping, they will send.
Okay, okay.
This is for you. Welcome to UDS Hotel, sir. My name is Sneha. My name is Anish.
Okay.
Anything else you can need, just call the restaurant.
Okay.
Nice.
Nice. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah.
How is the room?
You like your room?
Nice, you know.
Ang laki ng hotel. This is really big hotel, Han. So far, this is the best hotel that we have ever been.
See the pool? See the ocean. See?
And the pool view.
Pool and see the ocean.
Ocean view I have seen already. Look at them.
कैसा है? बढ़िया है? हाँ?
Other neighbor is there. Look, other neighbor is there. We were busy touring our room and Mishka is busy writing. Very good. Go write some more. You can use this table, lab, right here. Hindi ko pa napakita sa inyo talaga yung... They have pencil, okay. Okay. So, pakita natin yung... Meron silang closet. Meron ding safe. Meron silang sleepers na provided. The basic water heater, bottled water, coffee, tea, ganyan. And then, this is our bathroom. Buksan yung lights. Oh, diba? Nice. Dental kit, comb, shaving kit, shower cap, soap. In fairness, ang laki ng kanilang soap. And lotion, at saka dalawang lotion pala. Yes, baby? And this is the shower and toilet. We have a letter, and this is the first time we are receiving letter from a hotel because this is actually the first time that we have booked a 5-star hotel. Our travel agent booked us a 5-star hotel. Dear Miss J.Ann, Namaskar. On behalf of our entire team, we would like to welcome you to UDS Hotel Kovlam. We wish you a memorable stay. Sincerely, Dr. Raja Gopal Iyer, CEO. And with a sign pa, hindi siya stamp or your shortcut. What is that? Shortcut signature kagaya kay Abhi. It's really a signature. We'll keep this, Nahan.
Keep it.
Our first welcome. Where are we going?
Ocean.
We are going to the ocean. We are now ready to explore our hotel and
Make big castle.
she's going to make big castles. When we book our itinerary, our trip here in Kerala with our travel agent, we opted for a 4-star hotel accommodations. And this is our last hotel here in Kerala, guys. And they have given us a 5-star hotel. Our room is deluxe, standard room, but it's good.
Yeah, it's not bad that bad.
Yeah. Oh, Mama.
It's just that it's raining, otherwise we could have enjoyed it more.
Yeah. Let's go. We'll see.
Yeah.
Kung ano yung makikita natin dito. Even if it's raining. It's not raining that much anymore. Where? Okay. Go see the birdie. Meron ding sa ground floor. Kami nasa first floor, yung aming room. Ito yung second pool, guys. Yung doon kanina sa entrance, it's another pool. Ayan, let's go. We'll see if makatampisaw si Mishka sa ocean. Excited siya sa ocean. Sabi niya maglalaro daw siya ng sand castle. It's really nice here. Ito yung mga rooms na ocean view. Ocean view din naman kami. Slightly, ano lang, tilted. But it's ocean view. But we have ocean view. Namaste. Wow. Ang lakas ng alon. Yan yung aming hotel, guys. Oh. Yan dyan sa kabila. I'm not sure if hanggang doon is kanila pa. Excited si Mimi. You want to go down? We can go down, Daddy. Just this side. Just play with the sand. Excited yung aking anak sa beach, guys. Wow! Wow! A combination of black and brown sand. Wala, Mimi! Yay! You're happy? Yes, she's happy. Wow, big waves! Hold Mommy's hand.
Kind of blue one, yeah?
Huh?
Dirty.
Mas clear yung water dito kumpara sa Mamalapuram. Yan, oh, kita nyo, oh, blue. Yung Mamalapuram medyo brown. Though clear siya, yung water doon, but it's kinda brownish. This one is bluish. Come. Wait.
And this will be
Okay, come on. Backside. See, the other family is there, oh. Yay! Dito tayo na side kasi mas okay daw dito, sabi ng lifeguard. Mishka is scared na. Wow! Move back! Wow, Mimi, you're wet now. You like it? Makyat na kami, guys, ang lalaki ng alon. You want to make castle? Tomorrow morning, we're going to build a castle, okay? Meron daw sila ditong 3 restaurants. Isa dyan. Ito yung pangalawa. Tapos yung buffet doon sa entrance. We're going to tour around first and then we will swim, okay? You want to swim now? Okay, okay.
Sand.
Diyan yung kanilang lobby, guys. Medyo malaki itong pool na to kumpara doon sa kabila. Nasa kabila yung isa pang pool. Ah, okay, others. Okay, we'll swim. Come on. Merong bar. Yung massage na somewhere. Ayan, ocean spa. Kompleto dito lahat, guys. Come on, we'll change dress and then we'll swim. Oh, nice. Tara na, guys, at mag-bihis, swimwear. Kasi si Mishka gusto nang mag-swimming. Miti's room. Miti, come on, let's go. Anay Baya, let's go. Okay. See, they're coming. Let's go!
Let's go!
Warm yung water, so hindi siya malamig. Kasi kanina mainit. Tapos nung on the way lang yung maulan, diba? So yung tubig nila dito, mainit pa. Mimi, here, your floaters here. Okay. Slowly.
You want this baby?
Which one?
Yeah.
No, it's okay. Move your hands. Good job. Go to daddy's side. Sabi. Go to daddy. After swimming, gutom na gutom yung bata. Pinaghanda ko siya ng oats. Ito yung oats na binili namin nung isang araw. Tumawag kami sa housekeeping para sa bowl. Ang tagal dumating. So, yung tasa na lang yung ginamit ko. Okay naman yan. Pakakain lang namin to. Tapos, lalabas kami. Sa labas kami kakain. Maghahapunan. Kasi mag-buffet kami dito, guys. Mahal. It's very hot daw. Yung buffet nila dito, guys, is 1,200. Plus tax. So, mga 1,500.
Approx
1,500 per person. Ang mahal, diba? And bukas, mag-buffet din naman kami sa breakfast. So, it's better na i-explore namin. Chargeable?
Yeah.
So, mas mabuti na na-explore namin yung mga local food. Ganun naman talaga, mas maganda. Kapag pumunta ka sa ibang lugar, mas maganda i-explore yung mga local na kainan. Kasi anyway, meron namang breakfast included sa hotel. So, kakain din naman kami bukas dito sa hotel. Para matry natin yung ibang kainan. And then, mas makamura tayo, diba? Are you hungry? Hungry daw siya. Let's go, guys. Ito yung malapit na daanan mula sa aming room. Just in front of the pool. Hanggang 8 PM, open itong pool na to. Nice naman. So, sa labas kami kakain. Maghahanap kami ng makakainan sa labas. Local na mga restaurant mas gusto namin para matry natin yung mga kainan dito.
Well, it's been a long time. Haven't seen my friends in quite a while. Wasting all my life to stay inside. You could take me down to the west side. Long as you're around, I'ma be alright. Show me what it's like to be by your side. I'm like, ooh, high underneath the city lights with you. High, run around with nothing left to do. Taking all my dreams, make them all come true. Take a part of me and it's all brand new. High underneath the city lights with you. With you. try, we could take it slow. Cause you never know, it's inevitable that one of us is gonna fall. Lately you've been breaking down my walls, make me feel like I belong.
Yan yung aming hotel, guys. Uday Samudra. And yung labasan niya is meron din mga shops. Ganap tayo dito ng makakainan. We were walking back and forth to check. We decided to eat in front of our hotel kasi merong restaurant dito. So this is our hotel. Galing na kami doon, guys. Tapos pumunta din kami dito sa kabila. Pero dito lang, oh. Seafood. Indian, Italian, Chinese. So we'll try this. We'll check their menu first. Matesh restaurant. Seafood. This is Kerala Parota and Karahi chicken. Daddy, how's the food?
Masarap na pagkain na
Akala namin hindi masyadong maganda kasi konti lang yung tao dito kanina. The food is really good. Mag-ice cream yung mga people.
कौन चाहिए ये कप चाहिए क्या चाहिए हनी हनी कौन चाहिए कप चाहिए
कौन चाहिए कप चाहिए मीठी को आने
Ask
को कप
Michelle.
चाहिए
चलो
Mine is strawberry.
चलो ओके चलो
Okay.
मम्मी कप चाहिए कौन चाहिए
Sit down here, love, love. Say, I'm opening ice cream. What flavor is your ice cream?
you have taken already
Yeah, I have. Say, what's the flavor of your ice cream? What is this flavor? Brown. It's chocolate. Oh. Yummy ice cream.
एक और
For me naman, strawberry. This is not strawberry. This is Faluda flavor. Faluda. Yeah. Faluda ice cream.
Thank you.
You help me. I can do this, love. Thank you. You can try mine. Okay. No thanks. Balik na tayo sa ating hotel. Ang laki ng lobby. Ito yung aquarium nila. Hindi ko pala nakikita ito kanina. Ang daming maliliit na isda. Colorful fishes. Yan, yung iba't ibang kulay ng isda. Mishka, hindi pa din tapos kumain ng ice cream. Is it yummy? Yummy? Give me, mommy will eat. It's melting. I will eat later now.
Yummy, yummy ice cream.
Yummy, yummy ice cream.
देखो मिमी दीदी दे दी मम्मा को ना अब हो गया दे दीजिए
Sauna and steam.
and non-chargeable
Non-chargeable?
yeah.
It's good eh. Ayan pala yung schedule ng pool. Cadavo, Pool 1. Splash, Pool 2. Aquamarine, Pool 3. Activity zone, badminton, table tennis, playing cards. Beach access till 10:30 PM lang. Marami rin yung tumatambay pala dito ngayong gabi, guys. Tomorrow you make big castle, blah blah. See, so scary, ay. So scary waves. Ang lakas ng alon. Tabi. Yan yung aming hotel at night. Gusto niyang maglaro talaga sa buhangin. I want to make big castle. Wow. Makakatakot. So scary, Han. The sound of the waves. We are back in our hotel. Mamassage ko lang si Mishka. Kasi pagod yung katawan nito eh. And do you know guys, this is a memorable one for Abhi's family. Because this is Papa's first time to see the beach. Papa ay 66 na. 66 years old. 66 or 68 years old na si Papa. This is the first time na nakapunta siya sa beach. Imagine that. Mostly, people from the north, siguro sa mga ka-age ni Papa. Very rare lang sa kanila yung nakapunta sa beach like kagaya nito. Unlike sa atin, di ba? Sa dami ng beach sa Pilipinas. Pero imagine that, mostly yung mga taga-north, doon sa kanila ni Abhi, wala silang chance na makapunta dito sa south kasi mahaba yung pagbiyahe or wala lang silang chance na makapunta dito or wala silang reason para magbakasyon. Sa atin, di ba, anytime na gustuhin natin magpunta sa beach, kayang-kaya kasi napapalibutan tayo ng mga beaches. Pero dito sa India, isang buong lupain siya. Yung nasa north side, hindi sila makakapunta dito sa south para lang makakita ng beach. How did Papa feel, Han?
He was happy.
He was happy. He was happy daw. Nakakita siya ng beach. So this is our last point before umuwi ng Bangalore. We have planned to go to Kanyakumari. That is the end point of India. Like, yung India, pag ganito siya, diba? Tapos, yung sa pinakababa niya, tapos ocean na to, yung pinaka-end point ng India is yung Kanyakumari. Yun yung initial plan ni Abhi na pumunta kami ng Kanyakumari. Pero gusto din kasi niyang daanan yung Jatayu bird statue kanina na pinuntahan namin. So, if yung dalawang puntahan namin, we are going to spend another day para bumiyahe pa sa Kanyakumari. And hindi nakakayanin ng oras kasi sa Sunday, kailangan na nila ni Honey umuwi sa Patna kasi may office na nag-leave lang sila this whole week para matuloy itong aming Kerala trip. So, we let go of Kanyakumari. So, dito na sa Trivandrum or Kovalam, magtatapos yung aming Kerala trip. Pero tomorrow, we are still going to see different spots here in Kovalam, no? Or Trivandrum. Trivandrum. Ganon. It's been 5 days that we have been traveling. As in, it's fun to be with family. Na bumabiyahe kayong sabay-sabay. Pero nakakapagod din siya, guys. It's tiring. Yeah, it's fun. It's tiring.
That's good.
It's good. Like, at the end of the day, we are so tired. We are so exhausted. But the next morning, again, we are energized to see new things and visit other places. So, yan. Massage muna before kami matulog kasi she needs massage. So, if you enjoy watching our video, please don't forget to like and subscribe kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, and leave us a comment down sa comment section below. So, thank you so much and good night. See you tomorrow. See you on our next vlog. Nantok na itong mga kasama ko dito, guys. I cannot see you.
Thank you for my video.
Bye! Where's your flying kiss? Mwah.